Hi, and welcome to the virtual open day for the Sound Production Department here at the Cumbernauld campus of New College, Lanarkshire. Due to the pandemic, we're unable to have prospective students like you on campus to visit the department at the moment. So, via the wonders of modern technology, we are bringing the campus and the department to you. We'll take you through a quick presentation of who we are and what we do. And if you have any questions, please post comments below and we will respond as soon as possible. To get us started, check out this short video.
One, two.
Let's look at the progression routes that students can take when studying here at Cumbernauld. There are two strands: sound production and NC Music Rock and Pop. On the left side, you will see that sound production students can study with us from NC right through to degree level with our BA Sound Production course, which is ratified by the University of the West of Scotland. NC Music Rock and Pop, which is new this year, focuses more on the performing side, unlike the more technical sound production courses, and has a natural progression to HNC and HND music performance. Entry requirements for the NC are 2 National 5 awards or equivalent, preferably in the subject area of music technology and English. However, we would also consider a range of qualifications from National 4 and National 5. For the HNC, either 1 higher grade pass or equivalent, relevant NQ unit passes, or the successful completion of an NC Music and Sound Production course. Relevant experience may also be considered, and all applicants will be required to take an interview. Our sound production courses are designed to maximise the skill set for learners and cover a range of disciplines, providing the opportunity to progress academically whilst helping prepare for a career within audio and creative industries. Course content includes traditional studio skills such as studio recording, mixing and production, learning to work in a live sound environment, electronic music production using software such as Ableton Live to make beats, sampling and synthesizing. Post-production game audio are a massive part of the audio industry, and our courses include these topics to make our courses as modern and industry-focused as possible. Audio theory is also taught to provide students with a working knowledge of sound and its properties. Check out this video of the Creative Break project, where normal timetables are suspended and students are given a week to work with artists and the film and TV students to produce a single and an accompanying music video.
never know it's magical. I seen a whip
Our facilities have had around $1.25 million invested in them in the last 8 years to provide students with the opportunity to operate with state-of-the-art facilities and work with industry-standard equipment and software. As you can see, we have multiple areas for students to hone their skills in. Please click on the 360 Studio Tour link in this Facebook post to have a virtual look around the facilities in your own time. Over the years, we've produced various notable alumni who are working in the industry as producers, engineers, songwriters, in game sound design, sound recordist and mixer for television, virtual instrument and sound library design, artists, sound designers, and composers. If you'd like to know more about our courses, click on the links in the Facebook post below.